Boys and girls. All right, we're going to be on lesson 4.8 today. This particular lesson is called equivalent ratios and graphs. So what we're going to be doing in our reteach today is we're going to be taking a rate in our problem. We're going to be putting that into a table. And from the table, we're going to create ordered pairs. And those ordered pairs will be related into a graph. Okay? So we should be able to take that table and relate it into a graph. All right, so let's take a look at our problem really quick. Just to remind you, a rate compares two numbers with different units. So we're going to have different units. Like for instance, in our particular lesson today, we have coins and we're going to have years. These are different units, okay? So it's not coins and coins or years and years, it's coins per year. All right, so as we look through this today, really quickly, let's read the question. It says Jake collects 12 new coins each year. Use equivalent ratios to graph the growth of his coin collection over time. Okay, so 12 per or each year. So that gives me an ordered pair, which is a unit rate in this case, of 1 and 12. Okay, so we're going to write an ordered pair for the first year. Let x, this is x, if you remember down here, y is the one that goes, whoops, y is the one that goes up and down. Okay, x goes back and forth. Okay, so the x coordinate represents the number of years. They're showing me in the graph that the x will be years, the y coordinate will be the number of coins. So in our table today, okay, in our table, if you look here in the orange arrow that I just created, the coins are on top, the year is down below. Okay, so 12 to 1. Now they've created a table for you. So the first step you would do is you would make a table of equivalent ratios. This has been done for you. 12 times 2 is 24. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, take your original times 3. Again, times 3 and so forth. Same pattern. You're always multiplying for the next one, as we learned in the units before. We're multiplying by the next value of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that way we've created equivalent ratios. You have to have equivalent ratios in order to make this work. Step 3, okay, step 3 right here is write the ordered pairs for the values in the table. Okay, now my x coordinate is years. Do you see this down here? I'm marking it with the green. That means this happens to be, in this particular one, x is down here. This is 1. That means y is 12. You understand? So I'm going to create this ordered pair. This is 1. We've got the parentheses and the comma between 1 to 12. Make sure they stay in the same order. Then we take the second one and we take the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth part of our table. And we create ordered pairs. That's step 3. Okay. Step 4, we're going to label the x-axis and the y-axis, which we've done. Then step 5, we're going to graph the ordered pairs. So now in order to graph the ordered pairs, we're going to have to take the first one, which is 1 and a 12, and we're going to bring those together right here where that dot is. Okay, we're going to do 2 to 24, 3 to 36, and we're going to make a dot right where they meet. All right, all the way up. Now, if you'll notice, they create a straight line. They should create a straight line. If it's not, then you've done something wrong. So the point 1 to 12 represents the year Jake started his collection. It shows that he had 12 coins every year afterward. So here is a representation in a graph of our particular ratio over time. All right, boys and girls, I hope this makes sense to you. Happy math today as you take your ratio, create ordered pairs, a table and ordered pairs, and then you can graph it.